y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Genie bubble ponytail. So I did see one of my best friends with this look and it was so cute on her, and I was so inspired to do something similar. So as far as what's going on with my hair right now, I did braid it up like 4 days ago, y'all, and just put these two little braids in, and it's just been chilling. So while I was in the shower, I did wet it a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel them and add some pink oil moisturizer lotion to my hair. So I do have my water bottle here, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to the front of my hair. So now I am gonna take my pink oil moisturizer lotion. So I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and detangle just a little bit. So right now I'm just combing it in an upward motion because I do want a high ponytail. Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna put it in a makeshift ponytail. So I am gonna go in with my edge booster. This is my Style Factor edge booster. And I'm just gonna put it all around my hair. Just about this much. So I'm putting about this much. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush that in. So as you guys can see, my hair is nice and molded. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel. This is the Eco Styler gel that I use. It's the Argan Oil Eco Styler. So I'm gonna take a good amount. I'm just gonna put it all around. So I'm gonna take my bristle brush and I'm gonna work that Eco Styler in. So my hair is nice and molded, so now I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. Perfect. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more edge booster. I'm just gonna lay it on top. So as you guys can see, my hair is super nice and sleek. Here's the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some edge booster and I'm gonna do my edges off camera. I'll be right back. All right guys, so my edges are done. They're looking pretty good. So I am going to tie my hair down and let it sit for a little bit. And then I am gonna add this as well. Perfect. So I know I'm looking crazy, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna wait a couple hours and let my hair set, and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so I am back. It's been about 3 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how my hair is looking. Perfect, perfect. So as you guys can see, it's really nice and neat, very sleek. So what I'm gonna do for my ponytail is I'm actually gonna take small sections and I'm gonna twist them so that it could blend really well with the hair. Alright guys, so I am done doing my little twist, and the reason why I decided to twist my hair is because my hair is super duper thick. So when I try to make it in a bun and try to add the hair on top, it usually looks really bulky, and I didn't want that. So with the hair that I'll be using, the twist will blend in perfectly. So for this style, I'll be using Marley hair. I have I separated them into 3 bundles. You guys have seen this Marley hair before because this is the Marley hair that I'm always reusing. I always reuse my Marley hair. I use this to do Senegalese twist. I use this to do a low sleek ponytail. I featured this same hair like 5 times on this channel. So just a tip, if you have Marley hair, definitely reuse it because ain't nothing wrong with it. All you gotta do is wash it and reuse it. So yeah, I have it in 3 sections. So I am going to take the 1 bundle of Marley hair and I'm going to lay it on top of my hair like this. I'm going to take a scrunchie. So then I'm going to take this scrunchie out. This is with my regular hair. Just going to flip that over. As you can see, it looks a little bit more seamless, and my actual hair blends perfectly with the texture. So I'm going to take a few pieces of Marley hair and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of my hair. And then I'm going to take another couple pieces and I'm going to wrap that around the base as well. I'm actually going to use regular scrunchies to do the bubbles. I'm gonna start bubbling. Pull it apart. Make sure you get that bubble effect. So I do want the hair to be pretty long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another bundle and I am going to attach a scrunchie to it and pull it. And then I am going to attach this to this same section right here. Pull this apart. We're gonna add a bubble right here. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're gonna keep bubbling it. So it's already pretty long, but I think I want it longer. I think I want it to be knee length. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right guys, so this is pretty much all the way down to my knee. So the ends look a little ragged and I don't really like that. So I'm just gonna make a little ball. And then take a scrunchie and just wrap it around. Alright guys, so I am done making the bubble ponytail and it is super long. It goes down to my knees, you guys. It's very long and I really like it. It's super duper cute, super duper pretty. So what I'm gonna do to add the final touches is to add some of these butterfly clips. I got these from 24 Karat Collections on Instagram. I'll leave all her information down in my description box. So I'm just gonna, yeah, go ahead and add it and give it, you know, a fun little creative type of look. So since my outfit is pink and blue, I'm going to add the pink and blue ones more so up top. These are so pretty, you guys. And then I'm gonna add the orange ones at the bottom. So freaking cute, you guys. Like, what? I look like a bohemian princess. All right, let's add them. How cute, you guys. Okay, this is so cute. All right guys, so I am all done and it is so pretty, guys. Look at it. I don't know, for the summertime I've just been really liking super duper duper long ponytails. Like, it's such a look in my opinion. Wow, this is so cute. And it goes all the way down. I love it, guys. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. I definitely think it's super perfect for the summertime. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment and let me know if you guys are feeling this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I do post every Sundays and Thursdays at noon. I'm also on Instagram at SashieE.tv. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!